Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Yi. Welcome to my YouTube channels, and today I will show you how to install WordPress multi-site. To install WordPress, first we need a hosting service, and since WordPress is so dynamic, cloud hosting is recommended. Cloud hosting is fast, it's easy to use, and it's affordable. And the most important things about cloud hosting is that you can scale up your business when performance is needed. I just built a web hosting service using Cloudway, and I only pay $10 a month. I just launched the business, and right now I have one client that's paying me $8 a month. So basically the website is paying for itself. On top of that, I'm building a drop shipping business, a hotel booking websites, and many other websites. From using WordPress multi-site on Cloudway, I can have a network of websites for just $10 a month. Okay, let's go to cloudway.com. I will put the link in the descriptions. Sign in if you already have an account with them. As you can see, I have a server running right now. We can click over here to add a new server. Let's pick an application for our new server. We have a few options over here, but I would choose a WordPress multi-site. Let's name our applications and server. Down here we have a few server providers. You can pick any one of them. I usually pick DigitalOcean just because they offer the lowest cost. It's cloud hosting, so it's going to be fast regardless of the price. I usually start out with the 1 GB options, then I'll scale up when I need more performance. I believe Amazon Web Service and Google Cloud, you can scale up and down, but for the rest, you can only scale up. Right here we have the price calculator by hourly and monthly. The monthly cost is only estimated because sometimes I pay $11 or $12. And down here we have the location for our server. Pick the closest one to you. For me, I will pick Singapore because it's the closest one to me. Okay, all done. Let's launch it. Now that we launched the server, let's install WordPress multi-site. Simply go to your application. Here you will see all the access details. Log into your WordPress dashboard. First, we need to deactivate all plugins, then go to Tools to set up the network. Choose subdomain or subdirectory for your URL. You can name your network anything you like. Continue by hitting install. Okay, now go download FileZilla. Link will be in the descriptions. Then go create an FTP account username and password and use those information to log into FileZilla. Make sure you include this part. The port is going to be 22 always. Now copy the first box and paste it into your WP config files. Copy the second box and paste it into your htaccess files. Make sure you save it all set. Refresh the WordPress dashboard. You now can easily add WordPress website on your network. Hey guys, this is my only second videos on this channel, so I'll probably make a lot of errors. I hope you guys don't mind me. If you would like to build web hosting business like mine, you can start by installing WordPress multi-site on cloudway.com, because Cloudway make it possible to install SSL certificate to your clients later on. Please consider hit like and subscribe this video. It would help me a lot to continue making videos like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.